your girl Elo for life, and today I got a great video, or actually a product review for you all. Now this is not a sponsored video. It is I did sponsor these, not sponsored. I did buy these products myself. So let's go ahead and get into the video, because you know what? A girl don't have a lot of space on her phone. So I'm actually redoing this video over again so I can fit what I need to do in the right time frame. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. So the products that I bought from my local beauty supply store is the Kaleidoscope Hair Studio products. Now, I've seen these products on Instagram, all over Instagram, and I've been wanting to try them for quite some time. But because I already have like a lot of products in my house already, I'm trying to refrain myself from going out and just buying products and becoming that product junkie again that I used to be, because I used to have tons and tons of products, and a lot of them will go to waste. So I don't want to be that type of person anymore. So, but I did go to my local beauty supply store recently, and guess what? They had these products. Now, at my local beauty supply store, I'm not sure how much they cost online, but at my local beauty supply store, all the products that I'm going to show you today are $12.99 each, which really isn't bad. I mean, it's pretty much for natural hair products, for products that's catered towards natural hair. That's pretty much about how much things are going to cost. You can probably get things, some shampoos and conditioners a lot more. So I can say that the cost of the products is pretty much fair. Now, let's go ahead and get into the video. The rest of the video, the products. So the first thing I have here, I have three things that I bought. I have the shampoo, which is this one. I have the conditioner, and then I also have the Milkshake Detangler. So let's go ahead and let me discuss what I feel about these products. The Mositure Silk Shampoo. Does this shampoo work? Is it worth the hype? It is black-owned company, so I am supporting my sisters out there. I'm supporting y'all, okay? Especially during this quarantine time. Y'all got to eat too, okay? But anywho, what I like about the shampoo, I like the shampoo at the fact that it does cleanse your hair. Now, I am coming out of a 4-week knotless braid do that I did myself for crochet braids. And no, I did not have a video on that. But I had tried that for the first time. But I had a lot of buildup on my scalp. This does cleanse your hair. You can use this, depending on how much buildup you have on your scalp, you can use this one time. But because I had so much buildup from products like the Edge Control and the Blessed Hand Snot gel that I had in my hair, I only had to use this shampoo twice to get my hair cleaned and my scalp clean. It worked very well for that. It does moisturize your hair. However, the only thing I did not like about this shampoo is that it didn't have enough slip for me. I'm used to shampoos that moisturizes and detangles at the same time, like Cream of Nature. So this does not do that, but it does have a lot of nice ingredients in it, and the smell of the product is very clean. This shampoo has a very clean, so it's not overpowering. Now, the next product we have is the conditioner. The conditioner does have a lot of ingredients. I'm not going to go over them, because if you want to know what's in these products, you can go out to the website and look them up for yourself. But it does say that you need to leave this on your hair for 2 to 5 minutes. I let this on my hair prior for a good 15 to 20 minutes. And then I rinse it. Does it hydrate your hair? Yes. And I will post a picture after I had shampoo, conditioned, and put some detangler spray in there what my hair looked like. It did bring out the curls and my natural curls in my hair. And like I said, I'll post that picture somewhere around here. But it does condition your hair very nicely. It smells like cake batter. And you know what? I love cake. And I love the way cake batter smells. So I don't have a problem with the smell. Maybe somebody else will, but I do not have a problem with the smell itself. But like I said before, the only thing about this product that was a con for me was the slippage. It didn't really have any slippage for me. It didn't have enough slippage for me. So With the conditioner, I was detangling my hair in the shower with my fingers. So usually when I detangle my hair, I'm doing it with my fingers. I'm not doing it with a comb or anything like that. Especially since I just came out of some braids, okay? But it does do what it does do, that they say. Would I call it a silk shampoo or a silk conditioner? No, I would not. Because when I look at it being silky, I'm looking at that slip, giving you that silky slip. Now, that's just my opinion, but your opinion may be something else. It does say it's good for fragile, color-treated, and relaxed hair. It deeply hydrates to repair and protect the hair from stress. I would say it does do that. It does repair your hair, because after I comb my hair out and everything, I didn't have a lot of hair coming out of my head that, you know, normally you would when you're coming out of braids and stuff like that. Your hair do shed. But I will do say that these shampoos and the conditioner does strengthen your hair. As far as the cost, I don't feel like it's too bad at all. So, and a little bit goes a long way, you guys. You don't have to slather a whole lot of this in your hair. I mean, a little bit of the shampoo and a little bit of the conditioner. I mean, when I say a dime size, I mean like a dime size. I'm not even a dime size. Do a quarter size, okay? But that's enough. That would be enough. But my hair's short. Now, somebody with long hair, you're probably going to need a little bit more. But my hair is not as long as it used to be because I had cut it off. And I have videos on that when I had a disaster with giving myself a texturizer. So if y'all want that can go down to my videos and see what happened to my hair. Because I am on the natural hair growth journey again. So let's move on before my time runs out, because I'm not sure how much time I got left. But I don't have a lot of time left. So I'm going to move on to this. The Milkshake Detangler. So I guess the detangler is what's going to compensate because of what, because these two, because the shampoo conditioner does not detangle at all. Not to me, it doesn't. But it's not bad that it doesn't detangle. It's just that I'm just used to products that do moisture and detangle. This is a lightweight conditioner. So this is good when you're going to blow dry your hair and flat iron it and do curl or whatever. It will not weigh your hair down. This is what this is good for. Because I am natural and I'm usually protective styling my hair, I always look for something that's a little bit more heavier as far as a leave-in conditioner. And would I purchase this again? No. Because technically I don't wear my hair out anyway. But I will use this up. It is, you don't have to use a lot in here. And as you can hear, can y'all hear that? It is running. You don't have to use a lot of this in your hair when you spray it on your hair. Does it detangle? It doesn't detangle the way that I would want it to detangle. Like I said, I'm all natural. I have a lot of thick hair and I want that slippage. So I probably won't buy this again. Now, will I buy these two again? Probably so. I probably will buy these again. But what I am going to do is, because this is my initial video on these two products, I'm going to come back and do a follow-up on these products to give you my final verdict in about 4 to 6 weeks. To see if I still like these products. And I will let you all know. And I will do that follow-up video, okay? I know I've been slipping lately, but a girl's been busy. So, with that being said, I'll tell anybody, try products out for yourself. I know we get on here and we look at a lot of reviews and stuff like that. But everybody's hair is different. Everybody's situation is different. People's hair react to different things differently. So just because so-and-so over here on her channel had a glorious, her stuff was just, she just loved the products because it did what she wanted to do. But person B on this YouTube channel or whoever, or maybe you just like looking at YouTube videos, maybe those products just wasn't worth it for you. So with that being said, you guys, this is going to be the end of my video. Because let me see how much time I got left. Yeah, I don't have a lot of time left. So, try the products. That's all I can really say. Is just try the products for yourself, okay? And get your own verdict out on your products. But yes, with that, I do like the products. I can't say on a scale from 8 to 10, they do what they say they're going to do. I have my personal preference when it comes to leave-in conditioners, but I will give it a 9 out of 10, okay? I will give these a 9 out of 10 because they do what they say. She do have another collection out there Not just the moisture, but I think she has a therapeutic growth system and something else. But I didn't order those, so I'm only going to talk about the one. I'm only going to talk about the ones that I ordered. And y'all stay tuned to my YouTube channel, okay? Go ahead, rate, comment, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Deuces.